So, dear student, today we are going to learn the conservation of momentum. When there is a two body, there is a collision between the two bodies. So let's suppose there is a one ball, one bigger ball, whose mass is ma and initial velocity is u. And let's suppose there is a ua. Let's suppose there is a smaller ball whose mass is mb and initial velocity is ub. Initial velocity is ub. And let's suppose they are rolling on a surface. They are rolling on the surface, and at this point they colloid with each other. At this point they colloid with each other. So mass is ma, here mass is mb, and after collision surely there is a change of velocity. So the final velocity or the velocity after collision is va, and of the mass of the bigger ball, and the velocity after collision of the smaller ball is said to be v. Okay, so here the collision happened. Collision. This is a condition of before collision. Before collision. This is a condition of after collision. After collision. Now what the conservation of momentum say? The conservation of momentum say the total, the sum of the momentum. Whenever we say a momentum with the plural word, this is known as a momenta. Okay, so momentum of these two bodies is known as the momenta. It is a plural for the momentum. The sum of the momenta of the two bodies before collision is equal to the sum of the momenta of the two bodies after collision. That is the law of conservation of momentum. It simply is that the sum of the momenta before collision, the momenta of bodies before collision is equal to the momenta of bodies after collision. That is a general statement. So the momentum, the sum of the momentum, here what is momentum? ma into ua. Here what is momentum? mb into ub. Here ma into va. Here mb into vb. So sum of the momentum before collision and after collision are equal. So here we can write ma into ua plus mb into ub is equal to ma into va plus mb into vb. So that is the governing equation on which the whole concept is based. The sum of the momentum or momenta before collision is equal to the sum of the momentum or momenta after collision. So that is a statement, and we will see some of the numericals regarding that in the next video. Okay, thank you.